So now you have at least a basic understanding of deep learning. Let's discuss some of its applications for NLP. One of the most famous examples at the moment, and maybe the reason that you reached out to look for this course, is ChatGPT, an advanced language model built by OpenAI. At its very core, ChatGPT uses a neural network architecture called a transformer. And if you think back to our lesson on sentiment analysis, you'll recall that we use one of these pre-trained transformer models to discover sentiment in our text. More generally, ChatGPT is an example of a large language model. Large language models are designed to understand, process, and create human-like text by learning from a vast amount of data. These large language models are trained on vast amounts of diverse data, from books to websites, articles. Loads of different text data is fed in to allow the understanding of human language, of patterns, semantic relationships, and grammar, so that human-like text can be generated. These models have demonstrated significant advancements in the field of NLP and have found use cases across the board in chatbots, in content generation, in language translation, so many different applications for these large language models. As we continue to refine and advance these models, the potential for more interactive and more sophisticated advanced human-computer interaction becomes more attainable. So it's a super exciting time to get started in the field of NLP, and I'm so happy that you decided to start your journey with me in this course.